Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step, if you have multiple accounts, how you are going to manage them. All right, no matter how many accounts you have, it doesn't matter how many accounts you have. All right, I'm going to show you step by step easy way to be changing your account using one browser and without deleting your data. You don't need to restore your browser. All right, you don't need to restore your browser. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy. All right, as you can see, this is the home page of my Paws. What you are going to do, you look down here, you see dashboard here. When you see dashboard, you touch it like this. When you touch dashboard, it's going to brought you here. As you can see, I have connected this account with Bitget. All right, I have connected everything with Bitget here. So when you look down here, you see exit button here. They have introduced an exit here, so you don't need to you don't need to restore your browser. Then you press exit like this. When you press exit like this, it's going to exit. As you can see, I just exit this account. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go back to my Telegram. As you can see, my Telegram, I have many accounts. I have 3 accounts, so I'm going for the second account here. For example, when I touch the second account here, then I will go back there. When I come here, then I will touch the TG bot here like this. When I touch like this, I will touch Telegram here. When you look up, the first one here is Telegram. If you want to do with Phantom, you can go with Phantom. If you want to do with Ton Wallet, you can go with Ton Wallet, but I'm going to do with Telegram here. Then I will press Telegram here. All right, when I press Telegram here, verifier will appear here. Then I will press start. When you press start here, it will verify you. As you can see, the account is verified. Then you press continue like this. When you press continue like this, you touch your browser like this, boom. All right, so as you can see, boom, you touch dashboard here, TG dashboard down here, then you touch it like this. When you touch it like this, it's going to show you another different account. As you can see, this is a different account which I connected with Bybit. All right, and if I want to open one more account again, I'll go back to my Telegram group again one more time, and I will change this to the last account here. So when I change it to the last account here, then I'll come back here, then I will press exit down here, then I will exit again, and then I will touch dashboard down here again one more time. When I touch dashboard, they will ask me to connect with Telegram. Then I will press Telegram. It will take me to Telegram. I will press start here. I will wait a bit, then verifier verified. Then I press continue to web, choose my browser here. It will take me there again. All right, so as you can see, when I touch dashboard here, dashboards here, then it's another account here. As you can see, I press next like this, next like this. As you can see here, it's another account if I want to claim. All right, likewise for those who are using Phantom, what you are going to do, if you are using Phantom here, I'm going to exit this one like this. As you can see, I just exit. What you are going to do, you go to your Phantom wallet. If you are using the Phantom, you go to your Phantom wallet. Phantom is here, up here. When I press my Phantom like this, I open my Phantom. So here it is now. So this is my Phantom. All right, I will locate for account one here. Then I will locate the account that I want to open. All right, here for example. So as you can see, this is account 1. Then I will go back to my browser here. Then I will touch dashboard down here. When I touch dashboard, it's going to show this. Then I'll press my Phantom like this. When I press, it's going to take me to that account 1. All right, directly to that account 1. All right, and if you are going to open account 2, it will take me to account 2 also. I'll open account 2. All right, like that. You keep doing it that way. As you can see, this is another different account, that is account 2. All right, very easy. If you want to change it also, you go back to your Phantom, you change the account, you change the Phantom account, sorry, you go back to Phantom like this. When you open your Phantom, you cancel this, then you change this account to what? For example, I'm going to try account, sorry, I want to try account 8 here. No, I want to try account 5 like this. When I touch account 5 like this, this is account 5. Then I will go back to here, then I will connect to Phantom. I will touch Phantom like this. It will take me to account 5 in Phantom. All right, so as you can see, then I'll press confirm. This is account 5, and I'm going to see exactly what is in account 5. Then I'll press next. As you can see, this is account 5. I can claim account 5. All right, so as easy as that. No matter how many accounts you have, you can switch them and link, connect your exchanges there, connect your deposit address. As easy as that. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and if you know you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I will keep updating you with informations like this. All right, love.